In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply formula to many cells in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheets and make sure you're on the correct worksheet where you want the formula to be used. This is important because formulas work based on the data you already have selected. So it helps to quickly check that the numbers or values you want to work with are visible and ready. Next, click and highlight the cells you want to apply the formula to. Take your time with this step because your selection tells Google Sheets exactly which group of cells you want the formula to use. You can click and drag across a range of cells to highlight them. If you accidentally select too many or too few, just click away and try again before moving on. Once your cells are selected, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to several tools you can place into your sheet, including built-in functions that make calculations much faster and easier. Using the menu is especially helpful if you don't want to type formulas manually. After that, click on Function. This opens a list of common formulas you can quickly apply to the selected cells. It's a simple way to use Google Sheets without having to memorize formula names or syntax, which is great if you're still learning the platform. From there, choose the formula you want to use. You might select sum if you want to add values together, average if you want the mean of a set of numbers, count if you want to count entries, max for the highest value, or min for the lowest value. You can also browse through the other formula options if the one you need isn't in the first list. The key here is to pick the function that matches the result you want from your selected cells. Once you've chosen the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will then apply the function and display the result. This final step confirms the formula and completes the action. If the result doesn't look right, double-check the cells you highlighted and make sure you selected the correct function. Small selection mistakes can change the outcome, so it's always worth reviewing your range before trying again. And that's it. That's how to apply a formula to many cells in Google Sheets quickly and easily. Once you get comfortable using the insert and function menus, working with data becomes much more efficient